Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Dynamic TV Breaking News. Borussia Dortmund have accepted 120 million euros offer from Manchester United for the signature of Jadon Sancho. That is the breaking news right now. The details, of course, was reviewed by Blind in Germany. United have to pay Dortmund 70 plus 30 plus 20. So they are not going to pay the 120 million euros at a go. That is these are the figures that United will pay Borussia Dortmund for the signature of superstar Sancho. All the breaking news right now is that United have accepted a total of 120 million. Dortmund have accepted a total of 120 million from Manchester United for the signature of this great striker in the name of Sancho himself. Alright, United fans all over the world, you will be so much happy to hear this breaking news. This is a breaking news. It's no longer a rumor, of course. Sancho set to head to Old Trafford for a total region of 120 million euros fee in negotiation. Alright guys, for Manchester United fans, this is a great news. Dortmund have accepted a total of 120 million euros from Manchester United, and this guy is a great player. He's a great, wonderful player. He has been an incredible form for Dortmund so far this season. The Bundesliga have ended, of course, and Sancho himself was one of the instrumental factor, for Dortmund to be finishing in a good level this season. And the English international is set to be heading down to England and, of course, in Old Trafford. And the player himself, in a question, of course, there was a time he said that he was, that Manchester United has been his dream club, that has been a team that he want to play for, and right now that dream seems to be come true. And Sancho, of course, in his own opinion, have said that Manchester United is the best club in the world, and of course, it is also the best club in English Premier League, and that he's very, very happy, to be part of, of the work that Ole is going to put in place. He's so much happy to be part of the project that will be going on in Old Trafford, and that is the breaking news right now. Sancho have accepted the personal terms with Manchester United, and Dortmund have also accepted a 120 million euros from Manchester United for the signature of this wonderful striker Sancho. And of course, United is not going to pay. Manchester United will not pay that money at a go. Like I said, there is conditions and terms that was reached between United, between United and of course, Dortmund. Wood really did a very great job there. The United have to pay Dortmund 70 million euros. After some time, they will also pay another 30 million euros, and after which they will add extra 20 million euros, making it 120 million pounds for the signature of the superstar. And that is, that's a very good signing, and a very perfect negotiation between Wood and Borussia Dortmund themselves. Alright guys, for Manchester United all over the world, Dortmund striker, wonderful guy, Sancho is heading to Old Trafford in order to partner with the likes of Bruno Fernandes, Wan-Bissaka, of course Pogba himself, Greenwood, and a couple of other wonderful Manchester United players. Alright, United definitely next season will be good, just like Chelsea FC, recruiting wonderful players. Hakim Ziyech has been signed, of course. Timo Werner has been signed, and Chelsea also set to sign the superstar from Bayer Leverkusen, Kai Havertz. And right now, Manchester United want to add to their team one of the best player in Bundesliga last season, in the name of Sancho. He is heading down, of course, to Old Trafford, and he will be in good, play very well for Ole's side. Based on Ole formation, Sancho will fit in to that position. That makes him one of the best signing of the season. If I'm to say, Sancho definitely will be one of the best signing of the season for Ole. That is for Manchester United. Hey guys, United fans all over the world, how do you feel right now about this news? Do you think Sancho will transform Manchester United to the next level? Do you think United will challenge the likes of Liverpool, Manchester City, and of course Chelsea FC for Premier League trophy next season? All right, this is